Fab Lab has opened up a lot of new opportunities and classes for students to take that really is going to ramp up our whole engineering program.
I think it kind of gives the students to get an understanding how some of the engineering fields work, and that's really important for a person like me that's looking at colleges and looking at what college you're going to go to.
I've anticipated this for a really long time, and the addition of this technology, and especially for like a manufacturing sense of things, is a huge improvement. Like with Project Lead the Way and all that, and that integration, like I'm happy to be a senior, but I'm also like, because there's so many interesting classes that they're going to add on the years to come that I'm really excited for the younger kids.
Right now we offer Intro to Engineering, Civil Engineering and Architecture, and then I have a robotics class that runs semesterly. The other two classes are year-round, and they're Project Lead the Way courses. So at the end of the year, they'll take a end-of-the-year assessment that's provided by Project Lead the Way, and they can actually achieve college credits through those two courses. We're hoping to also start computer-integrated manufacturing next year, which will really open up how we implement this shape or these machines into the curriculum even further, because that's the automated manufacturing aspect of everything. Maybe two years from now, we're looking to also include engineering, development, and design, which is the capstone Project Lead the Way course, which will hopefully align students with local companies.
So here are some wood and cardboard pieces that were cut on our new laser cutter. So we have a laser cutter in our computer lab which can engrave and etch engravings in different materials such as wood and cardboard stone, and we've just been testing around with it using Trojan logos and just Wissahickon logos to really see the power and the potential we can use with it. So these are our CNC routers. These are only for wood, and what students can do is that they can design something on a computer on what's called CAD, which stands for Computer Aided Design. They can design something and they can cut it out on wood, and it will be pretty much almost perfect, as this machine is very accurate and precise.
One of the new 3D printers that Wissahickon purchased, this just shoots hot plastic and it builds it up layer by layer by layer. And
for one, we're going to end up with much smarter students. And another thing is we're going to have students who it opens the horizon for students who want to get into engineering. And through this class, we're creating the next generation of engineers and industrial designers.